আসসালামু আলাইকুম সবাইকে সালাম এবং শুভেচ্ছা। আমি TarTacular আজকে নিয়ে আসছি আপনাদের জন্য আরেকটি আনবক্সিং ভিডিও। Many viewers have requested me to upgrade my camera and stuff. Uh, it's quite funny to me because the camera I'm using right now, it's actually top of the range. It's pretty old. You see, every person is different using electronics. I am of that type that I'm gonna maybe save up some cash and go for the top range product in the market. So when I bought this camcorder, the camera I'm recording with, it's the model number is SONY HandyCam HDR-AX700 HandyCam. At the time, back in 2009, this was the top camcorder in the market, like the top camcorder money can buy. So this costed back then around 2400 USD, around 2700 Canadian. But it has been long used. I travel a lot and I use this camera a lot. So over time, especially video camera, it loses its how can I say this, its video quality. It degrades a bit. So 2009, this is 2018. That's I've been using this camera for 9 years. So although I bought the top range camera 9 years later in electronics, it's kind of old. So I think it's high time that I upgrade it. I'm very ভাই আমি কীভাবে বলবো, আমি ক্যামেরা, ক্যামকোডার, অডিও ইকুইপমেন্টের ব্যাপারে বেশ শৌখিন। সো আমি অলওয়েজ চেষ্টা করি যে টাকা পয়সা কমায়, ঠিক আছে আমি আরও 1 বছর পরে কিনলাম, কিন্তু আমি আই অলওয়েজ ট্রাই টু গো ফর দ্য আমার যেটা পছন্দ, মার্কেটের টপ রেঞ্জ। সো রাইট নাও I got this camcorder. আমি SONY FDR-AX700. সো এটা রাইট নাও সোনির বানানো হ্যান্ডিক্যামের মধ্যে টপ রেঞ্জ। This costed me around 2300 USD, 2800 Canadian. So pretty expensive, but I know this will give performance. The only other camcorder I could have bought if I didn't go for this one was the Canon Vixia, I think GF47 or something like that, 57, something like that. This one is 4K HDR with HLG, that gamma and hybrid locked gamma, and this max captures 4K 30 fps and 100 mbps capture rate. The only other camcorder better than this is the Canon one, and that's 4K HDR 60 fps. So that's the only 1-inch lens camcorder in the world that can do 60 fps 4K while capturing. But I'm pretty experienced about these things. Always the Sony capture format and video transfer and everything and editing, they're much easier than Canon, because the support software and the save mechanism in the Canon ones are you have to go through different routes. Also this one, I was very surprised, like for such a expensive camcorder, it doesn't have any internal hard drive, so I had to buy another $60. I had to buy a SDXC UHS1 class 10 U1 card, and I've ordered another UHS1 U3 card for capture for the 4K, full 4K 100 mbps save. This one will do 60 mbps one, but I need the higher range 256 gigabyte card for saving other videos. Anyways, let's do the unboxing. I'm just gonna turn over the camera to the side and then unbox this baby. I'll be doing all the unboxing and all the other videos with this camcorder, so hopefully this will serve me as good as the last one. Alright guys, let's do this unboxing quick. The packaging itself is beautiful, and I always like Sony products. I'm a big fan of this company. All the products I've bought from Sony have always served me well. Alright, so we have the viewfinder cover, and we have limited warranty and manuals, and we have power power cable. Actually, let's take a look inside how it's neatly organized and everything. Hey, Mama Krishna. Right. This also has a remote and comes with the battery and also cover for the camcorder, lens, USB cable, adapter, and this works in 110 and 220p very conveniently. And now the main event, the camcorder itself. It's the called Zeiss lens and 4K HDR with hybrid low gamma, and the safe format for this is XAVC-S, which is a Sony format. They have actually came up with this format for the camcorders. It has higher compression and better bitrate, so yeah. And you actually need this camcorder, like such an expensive camcorder. I expected this to come with a internal hard drive, but you need SDXC cards or higher. You cannot do SDHC. Even if you format it to exFAT, it won't work. You need true SDXC class 10 and U1 or higher cards for the 4K capture. If you want to capture AVC HD 1080p, the SDHC or memory stick cards are fine, but for true 4K HD HDR, you need these cards. So that's it. And the viewfinder itself, I think, yeah, there you go. It's a very nifty looking, really beautiful camera. I'll be doing most of my shooting with this. So thank you for watching. Let me do all the other unboxing with this one so that you get a better video quality.